Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this?
Hey, welcome back to Joyce Michelle. I am her, Joyce Michelle. So here's another look for you all. I don't know what I'm gonna name this. I think Roundaway Girl, 1990s 90 Roundaway Girl. Because I was just in a mood. Actually, I was really in a mood. So you got the eyes. Now what I really wanted to try was my Sephora Best Skin Ever and the Tower 28 concealer. I really wanted to try those two together. Now, I know it's high-end or mid-range and mid-range, but I don't know why I wanted to try this. Yes, I'm missing a nail. Don't worry about that. I don't know why I wanted to try these two together. Usually, I use the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer, but something said just try the actual Tower 28 concealer with this, and so I tried it. It worked out really good. Y'all know all the links will be in the description box. Now on my YouTube videos, you will be able to get all the links. On my other platforms, TikTok, you can get the links on Instagram. I think y'all are crooked. Hold on, let me see. On Instagram, and now a new venture that I have been blessed to do is LTK. I'll talk more about that in another video. But I can only do makeup looks because they don't actually have Shein for the links, so I can only do makeup looks on there. But for the most part, everything y'all know here on YouTube, you all will get all the links, okay? So hopefully you all will enjoy this makeup look. Y'all know I'm crazy about my Juvia's Place, so I did use my Juvia's Place by the Zulu. Hold on, yeah, the Zulu by Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. And so hopefully you all will enjoy this. Stay tuned because I got so many. It's a lot of recording that I have to do in this makeup and in this OOTD. So hopefully you all will enjoy. Y'all stay blessed, stay safe. Don't forget, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's free. It's free. Oh, and then comment. I need y'all to talk back to me. I done told y'all about that engagement, channel engagement. I'm gonna keep asking. Yes, ma'am. And what else? Thumbs up the video. So y'all stay blessed and stay safe, and I hope y'all enjoy the video.
once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. But you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. That you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. But you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. That you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone and don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. But you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies.